All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at these vacuum bags from Vacbird. Now this is gonna be a pretty large set. This is gonna have a total of 15 different bags, and this one right here is gonna have 2 mediums, 2 large, and 2 extend, which is the largest size. And then this one's gonna have 3 mediums, 3 large, and 3 extend. So just to give you an idea of what these actually look like, if I open this up here, you're gonna see that this right here is the smallest of the 3 sizes. These are gonna be great for anybody who is constantly traveling. Maybe you wanna bring more stuff with you. This is also a great way to not have to pay for a check-in bag because you can go ahead, vacuum your clothes up, and pack everything into your carry-on. Now, one of the great things about this is it's actually gonna come with a pump. So this is the pump that it comes with, and we're gonna go ahead and utilize this here in a second. I'll do a demo and show you how these work. Another thing here is it also is gonna come with these little clips. And I really love these clips because these clips are able to close the zipper up without having to do it by hand. So we could just take this and slide it across nice and easy, and we don't have to struggle with our fingers. So a lot of times when you have these vacuum bags, they're always like difficult, and there's a piece that's not fully zipped all the way closed, and then the air kind of leaks out, and then it defeats the whole purpose of using these. Now here's a look at a larger size, and if I hold this up and compare it here to this one, you can see it is quite longer and larger. So we could use this for things like towels, blankets, and even pillows. Sometimes we'll bring our pillows with us because those hotel pillows usually suck. So having these is great because you can go ahead and stuff your pillow in there, suction it nice and down and flat, and actually fit it into your bag. These are also gonna be great for situations where you need to store stuff away. So let's say we're going from winter to spring and we've got some larger, heavier blankets like this that we wanna go ahead and store away. It's nice because we could just throw them into these vacuum seal bags, and they're not gonna take up as much space in your closets or anywhere else in your house that you store them. So let's go ahead and do this blanket as an example. And you can see this is a pretty large and fluffy blanket. And I'm gonna go ahead and stuff it here. I think this one is the middle size. So not the largest, but not the smallest. And for the maximum amount of space saving, of course, you wanna make sure that everything is nice and folded before you put it in here. But since I'm doing this demo really quick, I'm kind of just gonna stuff this in here for now, but let's go ahead and close this bad boy up. Again, I'm gonna use these clips, which is super helpful because if I was to do this by hand, it's very difficult to get both of these to match up. And it does come with a whole bag of them. So I'm thinking, let's see, probably about 10 in this bag and 10 in the other. So you've got plenty of these, so even if you lose them, it's nice because they give you a bunch of them in there. Okay, we've got this packed up, and look at how thick this is. I mean, this is huge. This looks like a large pillow. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way so we can vacuum seal this up. But I mean, look how thick this thing is, and watch how crazy and how small we can get this by vacuum sealing it. So the way that this works is it's basically a rubberized piece. You're just gonna place it right on top here. You don't have to do anything. I just like to press it down like that, and we're gonna turn it on, and let's let it go. Another suggestion here is as it starts to suck the air out of it, if you wanna make this very evenly flat, you wanna make sure that you're pressing down on all sides equally. This is just gonna help to distribute the air. And since this is a blanket that can hold a lot of air, I'm gonna let this go for a second because we wanna make sure we get out as much as possible, and we want this thing to be rock hard. We want this thing to be dense. All right, there we go. That is all finished. Now we can go ahead and put our lid back on. One thing I wanna mention here is with these lids, you can see that there's no air actually coming out of here. So there's no huge rush for you to, pop this off and hurry up and try to scramble and get this on. They put a stopper on here, so there's no air that's getting out right now. However, if you start messing with it, press it, it will start releasing air. So you do wanna make sure that you always put these lids back on. Now, for the grand reveal, look at how thin that was compared to before. So thin, very lightweight, and now this is perfect to be stored up in the closet and be put away It's not gonna take up a bunch of space. And yeah, this is amazing. Now this vacuum that it comes with, you can see is super lightweight. It's pretty tiny. I would say it's the size of a small flashlight. I mean, it almost has the same shape as a flashlight as well, but this is USB-C rechargeable. So you really don't need to bring any extra cables or anything like that with you. Plus, I think this is good for like 100 vacuums off of a single charge. So you could actually just charge this up once, and even if you go on vacation, even if you bring all 15 with you, I highly doubt that you're gonna get through the full battery on here. And if you do, again, it's USB-C, so if you've got an iPhone, if you've got an Android, just a modern day phone, then you will have a USB-C charger with you, and you can go ahead and use that to charge it. Another great thing I like about these is how they are transparent. So you can see all the way through it on this side and on this side. Now this side does have a little bit of a crisscross patch pattern on there, so like a little bit of a texture thing on there, but it's not like enough to where you can't see what's inside of here. And that's great because you want something to where, you know, I've seen ones where they're completely dark or they're covered up with like a bunch of graphics, and it's a hassle. Like if you've got this stored away, you want to see what's in here without having to open it up and reseal it. So having one like this that's completely clear on this side and then majority clear on this side is a game changer. So if you're looking for one, I definitely recommend getting one that has a clear casing all around. Now people will also label these as well, so you can take a permanent marker and write on these, and just in case if you're storing specific stuff away, let's say like Christmas or Halloween or very specific things that you're gonna keep restoring, you can continue to use the same bag and then you can mark each one, which makes organization easy. Another main use case for this is if you're traveling international or even domestically and you just have a lot of stuff that you need to bring with you. Again, it can cut down from having 2 check-in bags to 1 check-in bag. And in certain cases, if you're traveling locally and it's not that far, you're only gone for a few days, you probably don't necessarily need a check-in bag at all. I could fit almost a week's worth of stuff in a carry-on. I know I pack a little bit lighter than most, but still, it's crazy how much stuff you can actually fit in a bag if you suction the air out of it and get it nice and flat. I mean, look at this blanket right here. It went from being probably twice the size to what it's looking like right now. It's also great with this because this is cordless, so you don't need to go near an outlet or anything like that. I know that a lot of the other ones that I've seen on Amazon are corded, which is a hassle. So, you know, you always gotta be like next to the wall to plug it in, and the cables are usually really short. So this is nice. You can just do everything right on the bed at the hotel, making it super easy to pack everything up. Another thing I really appreciate about these bags, like I've already got a full set of 15 of these. However, we bought another set just to have even more because we originally bought it for traveling and then we started using them to store things at home. So now all those ones that we used to use as travel bags are now up in our closet because we store away blankets and sheets and comforters and stuff like that. So now these ones we're actually gonna be going back to being used for traveling. But yeah, I really appreciate the fact that these do not leak. I've had these in luggages that have traveled 2-3 stops and nothing has happened to them. They stay completely sealed. You get to your hotel and everything is just like you left it, which is super important because if you are gonna be bringing a lot of stuff with you when you're traveling, you're gonna be packing these in. So you're gonna have multiple stacked on top of each other, and you do not want these to open up because that's gonna more so expand your luggage, which could end up damaging the luggage. So you wanna make sure you go with one that's actually quality. And I know that this brand's only focus is suction bags. So I love using this brand. It really makes sense, and they're just such great quality bags. So if you're looking for a set of vacuum bags that come with a cordless vacuum that is USB-C rechargeable, very lightweight and easy to bring around, and something that just has a big variety of different bag sizes that are also super high quality, nice and clear, and you just know are gonna actually stay sealed. These are great. These are really gonna make your travel a whole lot easier. You could bring a lot more stuff with you without having to pay for more bags. And honestly, they pay for themselves after one trip. Or if you're gonna be using these to store things away like blankets, comforters, sheets, holiday accessories, anything like that, then these are the ultimate bag. I've tried 2 other brands on Amazon and we always go back to these ones because they're the best. You know, I originally bought these, like I said, for traveling, and then now they're being used upstairs. After that, I tried out another brand just to see because I was curious, and I ended up having to return them and get these bags because these ones are seriously the best on Amazon. You could also take a look at the reviews. There's tons of reviews, like thousands of reviews about these and how everybody loves them. So if you're looking for some good vacuum bags, these are the ones I would definitely recommend.